A huge storm with historic reach. A powerful winter storm, often referred to in forecasts as Winter Storm Fern, is forecast to impact large swaths of the U.S. from the southwest through the south, Midwest, and into the Northeast and New England. It's expected to affect well over 200 million people, roughly two-thirds of the nation's population, as it moves eastward over the weekend. Meteorologists describe this system as one of the season's most significant events so far, with heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain likely across 34 states, creating a long storm track stretching more than 1,500 to 2,000 miles. Expected impacts: snow, ice, and extreme cold. Heavy snow is expected across the plains, Midwest, and Northeast, with some areas forecast to see more than a foot of accumulation, particularly in central and northern parts of the storm's track. Ice accumulation is a major concern in the south and southeast, where freezing rain may coat roads, power lines, and trees, increasing the risk of outages and hazardous travel. Following the precipitation, a sharp Arctic cold blast is expected to plunge temperatures well below average, increasing dangers from frostbite and hypothermia in exposed populations. The storm's breadth means both heavy snow and significant ice will occur in different regions, making travel, whether by road, rail, or air, especially challenging over the weekend and into early next week. Travel and infrastructure disruption. Airline delays and cancellations are already mounting, with thousands of flights across the country scrubbed as carriers prepare for worst-case conditions. Rail operators have also warned of significant disruptions to freight and passenger services due to heavy snow and ice across central U.S. corridors. Power infrastructure is another key vulnerability. Extended ice accretion can bring down lines and equipment, and local authorities in several states have issued warnings about potential outages and emergency responses. Emergency preparations and warnings. States across the South and Southeast have already declared states of emergency, with the National Guard activated in some areas to assist with response efforts. Weather alerts, including winter storm watches and warnings, are in effect across much of the storm's projected path as forecasters urge residents to prepare and stay informed. What residents should know. Officials and meteorologists emphasize that this event is not a normal winter snowfall but a prolonged and multi-hazard winter storm. Those in affected areas should monitor local forecasts, consider travel adjustments, and prepare emergency supplies in case of power outages or extended hazardous conditions. Stay tuned to trusted sources like the National Weather Service, NWS, for localized watches and warnings as the storm evolves.